I'm gonna be showing you how to take the tire off. We will need a flathead screwdriver, metal bar, and soapy water. I already placed the tire on a piece of cardboard to prevent the rim from scratching. First, I will apply soapy water. Then I will come to this side. I will push it down. I will hold it down with my knees. In this way, I will get enough room here. When I start pulling the tire up, will come easy. I'm gonna use the metal bar. I will hold it down with my knee. Then I will use the screwdriver. That's enough. I'm gonna use a block of wood. I'll use it like a lever. I'll move around the rim. Try to not go too far. Move a little by little like this. The tire is now off. I will move to the other side. Apply soapy water. Always make sure the valve on the top half, if you put it down, then will block the tire from going up, then will not have enough room here to work on the tire and will be hard to get the rim off. I'm gonna use the metal bar. I will try to push the rim to front. I will use now the hammer. I will hammer the side of the tire until I get the rim off. The rim is now off. I already changed the tire. I'm going to put it on the rim. Apply soapy water. Always make sure this side facing down and the valve in front. Set the rim like this position. Tilt it back. I will try now to push the rim down using my hands in both sides like this. That's enough. Now I'm gonna use the screwdriver. I will try to pull this side up. Always try to not go too far, a little by little. The rim is in now. I will move to the other side. Apply soapy water. Set this side in. Then I will step on the tire. I will try to move around the rim and push the tire in. Like this in both sides. The tire is in now. Now the tire is ready for inflating. I will put the core back. The tire is ready now.